Okay, all right. So thanks for the great introduction by Jenny. So now let me start my presentation by showing just a quick video, 1 minute, and then I will proceed for my presentation. Okay, all right. So basically, just now you all have seen the video that I shown to you. So now let me unshare, and then I will share again my slides so that you all can see my presentation in the later on. Okay, so I'll join myself with another device. Okay, everyone, can you all hear me now?
Absolutely.
All right, okay, thank you again. So just now is a brief introduction about how my iNeighbor works. So as in the screen now you all actually I'm showing the apps application which will be downloaded by our resident apps. So next one, I will show you one by one actually what are the features that commonly used for inside their iNeighbor apps. So first of all, I would like to show you all is the inviting visitor. The inviting visitor through the apps is very simple. The owner actually just need to key in the visitor name, and then to select the visitor whether it's a one-time or multiple in-out. So as the name apply one time, the QR code will be generated just in and out, and the QR code will be automatic queue off. And for the multiple in-out is for the friend or family that want to stay for 1 week in your community, so they can last the QR code generator will be last based on the arrival and the departure date you set. All right, and after that, you just send the invitation link to your visitor through either WhatsApp, email, or messages. Then they click on it and a code will be generated. And then another feature that I would like to show you is the facility booking through our apps. So as you can see on my screen there are a few facilities there, and how to book that is also very easy. Just click on the calendar menu, and then it will show you which slot and is available at that particular time. Okay, so if one slot already taken by the resident, it will automatically disable and not able to select anymore. Right? So the next thing I would like to show you is you can see in my screen now is actually they use our feedback feature to lodge a complaint to the management admin. So for example, the resident saw any incident happen like a burglary or the fallen tree, they like to inform the management. They can just open the apps, select the incident type, okay, and then as you can see in the screen, there's a photo or video can be taken so that the management office also will have a better know on what are the situation right now, and they can act appropriately. And then moving on, next, this is the things that we always would like to replace is the traditional notice board. As a traditional way, mostly all the updated announcement or notice will be placed at the notice board or the lift. So one question is actually how effective is this message has been delivered to all the residents. However, by engaging as iNeighbor, all the announcement or notice posted by the management office will directly feed to their smartphone by downloading our apps. And then by comparing to the WhatsApp group, if a person in the work and they miss out the message maybe for 30 minutes, the message can easily come up to 100 messages. So what does this mean? So it can easily miss out the important info that are inside the WhatsApp group. However, by iNeighbor, they will push a notification link directly to the phone so that you won't easily miss it. And the next one, we also have a contact list. The contact list, by default, we will key in all those contact like the management office and the security guardhouse phone inside the contact list. And then what we can do addition is we can help the community to add in all those nearby authority, like the nearby police station or the hospital, so that in case of emergency, they don't know the number, they also can open our apps to do the calling directly. And last but not least, in our apps, we also have an e-form to replace all those red tape. Like you want to apply for a car park overnight for the visitor, you want to submit a renovation form, everything can do from our apps, which is user-friendly and customizable. And then moving on, I'll just show you, this is the guardhouse tablet that we'll place at the guardhouse for the visitor registration. So the feature there inside, we can do a OCR scanning, which is the optical character recognition. They can convert the driving license, the name and the IC, and then key in into the tablet automatically without manual typing by the guard. Okay, this is the OCR technology. And moving on, we also have the in-apps intercom. And this is actually our biggest value in our iNeighbor, because just for your information, a physical intercom in place can cost up to 5 to 6 digits. Okay, because all the wiring costs that need to link to every unit, this one is very costly. So our apps is provide intercom is wirelessly, and this actually reduce the intercom cost significantly. The next but not least, the next one I'd like to mention is this panic button alert. In our resident apps, there's a panic button can be triggered. So one is triggered. This guardhouse tablet will be being triggered, and they will upload all the 4 photos captured by the resident. This photo function is to let the security guard to understand at which site they are located, so that they can go for the immediate support to the site. And then last but not least will be this tablet will be secured by the Samsung Note, which means all the apps will be locked out except our iNeighbor apps, so they can only access our apps, and all the Google, YouTube, everything will be locked out to avoid any misuse of the tablet. So coming up next will be the conversation starter. Is you need our member help to actively seek for a referral for us. So first, you can start ask your friend or family that actually, how do you experience a queue at your guardhouse during a birthday party? Or do you frequently visit a management office during MCO time? Okay, your community has any intercom issue? So these are the phrases listen for. Okay, my management office already closed when I back to home, and my visitor complained on the sole visitor registration. Last is the submitting the form to management office, very time consuming. Okay, so basically last is this one is my collaboration partner. So I believe that my time is up. So I hope that this info can help you know a little bit about my smart visitor management system. All right, thank you. I'll pass back to our president.
Yes, thank you, Wilson. Yes, 8 minutes up, and I see a lot of MO Wong inside the screen. Okay, now